everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, guys, I'm going to be unboxing some kitchen utensils that I got at a good bargain. It's a bit of a different setting this time. I'm not in the kitchen, okay guys? So I don't mind sharing these utensils that I bought at a good deal. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to share is this icing set here. I have the gun and all these other nozzles to decorate my cake. And this was not a bad price. I picked this up in the mall. I had it a while ago. And it's very handy. So I thought, why not make an unboxing video and show you guys before I put it to use. Okay, guys? And I'm looking forward to using this, and I'm going to be using it soon. This is just straws. Okay, metal straws, guys, that are very useful. And I also got a brush that goes with it. You guys, it's very useful. Looking forward to using this. And this is spoon and fork. I think I paid like maybe $2 something for this, which wasn't a bad deal. Okay, guys, is for traveling. These are very handy. Let me open it for you guys. Okay, let me open it so you can see fully how it works. Guys, it's very handy and useful. That's a spoon, and this is what Trudeau. Yeah, True from the Trudeau cutlery set. It's BPA free. And this is the fork. For traveling. These are handy. If ever you happen to see these, buy them, guys. They're very useful and handy for traveling, when traveling. And then this is a good deal, guys. I think this was like I paid like $3 something for this. It's kind of like at the dollar store, but it wasn't at the dollar store. I purchased this at the No Frills close to me, the Sheriff's No Frills. And I thought that was a good deal, so I bought it for like $3 and something, or $4, I think. And this is a charbroil stainless steel beer can chicken roaster. So you know, the picture says a lot there. It shows how the use of this stainless steel chicken roaster. And I've never opened it before. It says stainless steel beer can chicken roaster, durable stainless steel construction, load inner cup with wine, beer, or yeah, well, I don't have to be loading it with wine or beer, but you can use it to put in your oven, I suppose, and you know, roast your chicken with the vegetables as shown in the photo. And I am looking forward to using this, guys, for you to see. Not today, but sometime soon. Opening it for the first time. There it is, guys. and I bought it because it was a good deal, like under $5 for this, and I think it was worth it. They were at the Sheriff Snow Frills. You guys, so this comes with it, and I think by the picture shown here, you would be pouring wine or whatever it is on the inside, and then, or whatever it is that you need to put on the inside, or beer, I'm not sure if I would be putting beer, but whatever. Yeah, your liquid on the inside, and then put it up that way, and put your chicken on top, and then, you know, the whole, you'll see, guys, when I put it to use, you'll see how it works. And this this is a good deal, guys. This was like, I think 6 something. These were on sale at the Sheriff Snow Frills a couple weeks ago. Prep Kitchen, I needed this, guys. I need a knife and a fork, because my other knife, guys, it's a 3-piece knife and fork with cutting board set, wood cutting board. And guys, that knife, I had a knife that I used on my sugarcane, and it damaged the knife, guys, when I was peeling the sugarcane. So I needed a knife. I'm using a knife now that's not long enough. So this came in handy, and I could not resist buying this because this was like 6 something. I think it was 12 something, and then it was on sale, which I think was a good price. So I did not let this deal go by. I took advantage of buying it. There it is, guys, and comment down below and let me know, what do you think about these utensils. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So there it is, guys. I got a fork and a knife for carving and cooking. Good deal. $6 and something. I think it's worth it. Guys, I also got this barbecue. This mini gas barbecue at a good price at Canadian Tire. That I had assembled. See, guys? And this barbecue, guys, was like $99, and I got it for like $29, which was a good deal. Okay, so when you see a deal like that, how could you pass it up? It's mini. It's just a little mini barbecue. I've never purchased a barbecue in all my life, so I go, why not? Like from $99 to $29, that is a pretty good deal. $29 or I think $39. Yeah. So I have not used it yet, but I am looking forward to using it, and it also uses works with those mini gas that you attach to it. And yeah, that's the unboxing video, guys. I thought I would do something a bit different for you in this video. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, And thanks for joining me in another video, guys, and see you in the next video.